iQOO is reportedly working on the iQOO 15 series of flagship phones for the Chinese market. The iQOO 10 to 12 series included both standard and Pro models, but last year, the brand only launched the iQOO 13, skipping the Pro variant. According to reports, the upcoming iQOO 15 series will consist of two models. The standard model will be joined by an Ultra edition. The standard model will feature a 6.85-inch flat Samsung display with LiPo technology. This is a new display packaging tech that will allow the screen to sport slimmer, symmetrical bezels, an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and an IP68/69 rated chassis. The device will also feature a periscope telephoto camera. Devices are expected to be powered by the forthcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and feature the company's independent display chip, powered by a 7000 mAh plus battery with 100W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.